Got security? When you're considering purchasing the best security system to protect your home or business, Ware offers just that. We begin by sending a certified professional to determine what your needs are, including the cost for everything installed. The installations are done by trained professionals who are employed by our company. Our commitment to you is to be honest, dedicated, and diligent about providing the best service possible with the best installation crews in the area. Since 2005, Ware has taken pride in providing a wide range of high-quality, low-voltage services in Tampa, Florida, and surrounding areas. This includes the best alarm system products, high-resolution surveillance cameras, access control equipment, professional cabling, and installation services. We offer a unique variety of options for alarm system monitoring, home automation, and standalone surveillance camera systems for residential and commercial establishments. We also offer extended warranties on our products, which are designed for prime system performance, appearance, and functionality. We offer affordable solutions without compromising quality service. For more information about the best security system for your property or to speak with one of our agents, please call 813-425-5900. Have a safe and secure day.